What if I told you that the biggest reason people struggle with money is not because they don't earn enough, but because they never learned how money truly works? From childhood, we were told to study hard, get good grades, and find a stable job. We were trained to become employees, but we were never trained to become financially intelligent. No one taught us how to manage money. No one taught us how to multiply it. No one taught us how to make it work for us. So we grow up believing one thing: work hard, earn money, spend money, repeat. And then we wonder why we feel stuck. Let me tell you a simple story. Two friends started their careers on the same day. They earned the same salary. They had the same opportunities. The first friend believed money was meant to be enjoyed immediately. Every month he upgraded something: a new phone, new clothes, expensive dinners. He wanted to feel successful. The second friend made a different choice. He decided to first understand money before spending it. He learned about budgeting. He learned about saving. He learned about investing. He learned about compound interest. At first, nothing looked different between them. But years passed. The first friend was still working hard, stressed about bills, waiting for the next paycheck. The second friend had money-generating income on its own. What changed? Not their salary, not their luck, their knowledge. Here is a truth you must understand. Money does not grow because you work harder. It grows because you manage it smarter. Most people increase their income, but increase their lifestyle even faster. They earn more, but they also spend more. That is not wealth. That is a trap. Real wealth is built quietly. It begins when you stop asking, "How can I spend this?" and start asking, "How can I grow this?" When you learn about money, your mindset shifts. You stop buying things to impress others. You start buying assets that produce income. You stop chasing quick pleasure. You start building long-term freedom. And the most powerful lesson of all? Time is your greatest advantage. Even small amounts invested consistently over years can become life-changing. But most people wait. They say, "I will start when I earn more," and they never start. Listen carefully. You do not need a high income to build wealth. You need discipline. You need patience. You need financial education. Start small. Track your expenses. Save consistently. Invest wisely. Improve your skills. Build multiple streams of income slowly. Because the best investment you will ever make is in your knowledge. When you understand money, you stop fearing it. When you understand money, you stop wasting it. When you understand money, you start controlling it. And once you control your money, you begin to control your life. 10 years from now, you will either say, "I wish I had started earlier," or you will say, "I'm grateful I started when I did." The difference between those two futures is the decision you make today. Money is not your enemy. Ignorance about money is. So learn, grow, build, and create a future where money works for you, not the other way around.